Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link your Activision account to Battle.net. This process is straightforward and ensures your gaming progress is unified across platforms. Having your accounts connected offers many benefits, making your gaming experience much smoother. We will walk through each step carefully so you can easily complete the linking process. Let's dive into the linking process. Begin by logging into your Battle.net account through your preferred web browser. In the same browser, open a new tab and sign into your Activision account. Once logged into Activision, find the account linking section in your profile settings. Here, you will see an option for Battle.net. Click to link it and follow any additional instructions to finalize the connection. Linking your accounts offers several fantastic benefits. You gain cross-progression, meaning your game progress and achievements carry over between different platforms. This also ensures you can access all your purchased content and in-game items without hassle. Furthermore, it simplifies your login process and provides additional security, making account recovery easier if you ever forget your Activision password. Before you finish, here are a few important notes. Remember, each Call of Duty profile can only be linked to one Battle.net account. It is also best to avoid unlinking and relinking frequently, as this can sometimes impact your game content. If you encounter any errors during the process, try using a different web browser or an incognito window. For persistent issues, reaching out to Activision support is always a good next step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.